are you? It's Simon here. We're going to learn exit music by Radiohead this morning from OK Computer. We have got a capo here at the 2nd fret. We're going to cover the strumming first, and then we'll learn the chords, and we'll learn exactly the order of the tune so you can play along with the record. So, bass, strum. Basically what we're going to do, we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and up. Alright, so bass, down, 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 up. Okay, so the beginning of the tune is pretty sparse. It's pretty much exactly like that the whole time for at least the first verse. So then the second other bit in the intro. So I just played down, up, it's an A sus2, you see I lifted my first finger there, and then my pinky goes down to make an A sus4, okay? So we've got 1, 2. That repeats. Then we start the verse. The chords in the verse are A minor, E major, same thing, C with a G bass. So that's a regular C major, but you get an extra G in the bottom there. So this is a D, D sus2, F sharp in the bass, and then an F in the bass. So basically 2nd fret, 1st fret, then back to A minor, E major, A sus4, exactly like we played it before. You see I've got my pinky there, and then it resolves to an A major. Okay, so there's a few different ways you could do this. You can play like I just did there. And then it goes to A minor as you start the 2nd verse. Or you could play like that kind of thing, and then switch your hand around and come to A minor, or 1st finger flat. And then switch around to A minor. Completely up to you. Alright, so that is how you play the verse. Then we've got a little sort of interlude section in between that and the next verse. So this is a G minor 11. We need your 2nd finger here on G. Then you're going to catch the back of the 5th string so it doesn't sound. Then a D, then a B flat, a C, and a G. So you get this. So that was 6 beats of that. So you get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. See what I mean? So and then we go back to that D sus2 with the F sharp in the bass. And then an A sus2. 4 and then A minor, and then we've got a bar of 2 again where we're going to play 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and do it like that, or you could play 1 and 2 and, okay, so 1 down down down, so A sus2 and A sus4, and then back to A minor for a whole bar, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then back into G minor. So I'm going to count us in. Let's play that whole section. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. and then all hell breaks loose, right? So we've got A minor, B major, E major, F, F again, B flat, E major, volume, A minor, E major, this is verse 3, C over G, same thing as we had before, A minor, E major, A sus4, A major, quieten down, A minor, E major, that same thing, A sus4, A major, and then there's no singing, but if you wanted to keep playing those same chords you could. sus4, A major. And that is how you play Exit Music by Radiohead. Some pretty cool chords in there. Just remember that strumming, and also don't forget to subscribe here. There's a whole bunch of other Radiohead lessons and over 750 other lessons. If you want to support the channel, get the chart, all that kind of stuff, you can do that at patreon.com/Simon Morel. I'll see you later. Cheers. Bye.